Mitsubishi's smallest crossover offering, the Outlander Sport, plays in the highly competitive field of small crossovers and is also the least impressive offering there, earning the automotive equal of a participation medal. Its driving dynamics are dull, its interior quality is shameful, and yes, it offers no semblance of modernity. It's desperately looking for a complete overhaul. Even so, the 3D Ammon brand continues instead having its process of minor improvements every single year. Its exterior styling, unbeatable warranty, and bargain pricing are its only good qualities. While the Outlander Sport could be cheap and last reliably for several years, it won't give the creature comforts or driving delight of other rivals with this class. High's attractive styling, competent handling, good warranty coverage, low lethargic and unrefined powertrains, outdated technology offerings, plasticky interior. Verdict cheap, but that doesn't convert it into a good value. What's new for 2018? This year the Outlander Sport wears updated front and back bumpers, with LED running lights on the trims or longer. The up-level sails will include a 7.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. All Outlander Sport models also be handed a redesigned center console between two front seats, and from that console sprouts a fresh shift lever for that transmission. Alloy silver paint spruces the somewhat limited color choices, and a different optional touring package is currently available on the most notable sole trim for $2,000. It offers a panoramic sunroof, automated emergency braking, lane departure warning, and automatic high-beam headlamps. The top-off-the-line GT trim is discontinued. What was new for 2017? For 2017, Mitsubishi's smallest SUV gained new standard features, including automatic climate control plus a shark fin antenna. A limited edition trim level joined the lineup, bringing several exterior tweaks and further features. Trims and options we'd choose. Our chosen trim for 2018 will be the high-value, low-cost mid-range SE, which adds numerous features in the base S and helps to make the Outlander Sport more palatable without upping the value too much. Standard equipment highlights to the SE include fog lamps and LED running lights, 168 horsepower 2.4-litre four-cylinder engine, heated front seats as well as a 7.0-inch infotainment display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Mitsubishi offers quite a couple of accessories with the Outlander Sport, most notable, the carpeted floor mats $135 and recargo cover $190 appear like no-brainers. Is equipped, our front-wheel drive Outlander Sport SE costs $24,315. Our wheel drive is accessible for $1,500. The Outlander Sport's powertrain options present a choice relating to the lesser of two evils. The base 2.0-litre engine is practically unbearably slow, nevertheless the more powerful 2.4-litre engine, which adds 20 horsepower, costs extra and gets us fuel economy. Both engines pair through an unrefined continuously variable automatic transmission CVT except the stripped-out base model, which comes standard using a 5-speed manual transmission. What's new for 2018? We weren't certain that the 2.4-litre inline four's 20 extra ponies will make much difference inside Outlander's acceleration times not too long ago. We had the ability to test a real vehicle, and our assumptions were admittedly inaccurate. Our 2018 Outlander Sport sold with each 0.4-litre managed a 7.9-second rip from 0 to 60 miles per hour, sufficient for a second-place finish through that test. The 2.4-litre is paired together with the same CVT as our test car from a year ago, also it sounds similarly unrefined consequently. Test results, acceleration, 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. Even within the class and known for quickness, the 2.0-litre Outlander Sport's laggard acceleration remains disappointing. The engine is noisy and drones annoyingly. As you move, the CVT is slow to answer throttle inputs. We haven't tested a 2.4-litre Outlander Sport, but our exposure to that engine within the larger Outlander informs us that it's get rid of refined or pleasant, whether or not it would likely be quicker. Test results, acceleration, Tow ratings compared. The Outlander Sport scores a goose egg in this particular category, but techniques its closest competitors. The Jeep Renegade, which can be not included with this set of competitors, is amongst the few tiny crossovers that will tow, and it has a £2,000 rating. While some competitors trade peppiness for efficiency, the Outlander Sport's sluggish 2.0-litre engine can be a loose proposition, scoring nearby the bottom on the class within EPA and Rail World fuel economy. The optional 2.4-litre engine is even worse both in metrics, but at the very least it out-accelerated its rivals about the track in your testing. What's new for 2018? The EPA increased the Outlander Sport 2.4's highway fuel economy estimate by 1 mile per gallon with both front and all-wheel drive, but kept each 0 litres fuel efficiency ratings steady for 2018. In our testing with the optional 2.4-litre engine with all-wheel drive, we found it being off the mark by 2 miles per gallon. Test results: highway range, 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. Whether you ultimately choose the base 2.0-litre or optional 2.4-litre engine, the Outlander Sport's CPA ratings fall short of its modern-day rivals. Adding all-wheel drive results within a 1 mile per gallon penalty in city mileage for either engine, along with a 2 miles per gallon penalty for both engines in the highway and combined ratings. The standard 5-speed manual transmission, that's only available with front-wheel drive and the two main 0.0-litre engine, lags behind both the 0.0-litre and CVT combination in fuel efficiency. Fuel economy ratings compared: Mitsubishi Outlander Sport FWD, fuel economy ratings compared, Mitsubishi Outlander Sport AWD. We've devised our personal fuel economy test so as to replicate how the majority of people drive around the highway. Our procedure entails a 200-mile out and back loop on Michigan's I-94 highway. We keep a GPS-verified 75 miles per hour and employ the cruise control whenever possible to mimic the best way many drivers behave during long trips. The all-wheel drive 2.0-litre Outlander Sport we tested achieved 1 mile per gallon under its EPA rating and between 2 and 3 miles per gallon, a lot less than its competitors. Test results: highway fuel economy. Despite below-average efficiency, the Outlander Sport features a large fuel tank, letting it go farther using one tank than competitors. Unpleasant and uncompetitive powertrains will be the weak links from the Outlander Sport's otherwise inoffensive driving experience. While it doesn't meet its sport billing the slightest bit, ride and handling are competent and suitable for this class. What's new for 2018? Mitsubishi is different, nothing mechanical for the Outlander Sport for 2018, but our testing associated with Insole model equipped with each 0.4-litre 4-cylinder did improve on both the 0.0-litre powered Le model we tested recently, no less than, as much as acceleration and braking were concerned. The 2018 Insole managed a rather lower skid pad measurement, but casual drivers won't have the ability to tell the difference. 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, acceleration slowness is virtually no deal breaker from the subcompact crossover segment. The Outlander Sport's engines add insult to injury, however, when you are noisy and unrefined besides sluggish. The sole available automatic transmission is definitely an unresponsive CVT. A 5-speed manual is standard about the base, front-wheel drive S-trim, which in turn causes the engine to drone rolling around in its harsh height range while accelerating. Test results: acceleration, ride, handling, and steering. While hardly sporty, the Outlander Sport handles well to get a small crossover, with accurate steering plus a pleasingly firm ride. There's a good amount of body roll in corners and not so much so it feels unstable or tippy. Test results: maximum cornering capability. Braking. The Outlander Sport's braking distances are average due to its class. After some initial squishiness, once you press the pedal, it firms up under harder braking.